Hey there, MozArtists! Today we're going to learn how to paint watercolor leaves using just one easy blending technique. For this tutorial, you'll need paintbrushes or water brush pens, watercolor paints, and a pencil for sketching. To start, first map out the leaves you want to paint by sketching them all out. You don't have to be particularly neat, you just want to get the general placement down. Next, choose the colour scheme you wish to paint with. We've gone for the classic leafy green, but you could choose autumn colours or really any combination you like. Use a lighter shade of green for the base of the leaves. Once the base has been filled in, pick up a darker shade of green with your brush. And while the base is still wet, touch the tip of your brush to the edge of the leaf. This will create a gradient effect and give depth to your leaves. Apply the same blending technique to the other leaves. Play around with combinations of different shades of green to create a varied look. Perhaps mix in a bit of emerald with a yellow base for a more jewel-toned effect. Now for the details. You can add veins, shadows, and outline the leaves for an illustrative look. And if you want to take it a step further, why not use MozArt's single brush pens to pick up a colour and add a few wispy leaves with thin to thick brush strokes. And don't forget the finishing touches. Lettering, doodles, or flowers will all look great. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below the colour scheme you'd love to try with this tutorial and which other art videos you'd love to see from us.